mountain, and we asked the people to let him come and talk to them. I heard him saying he has a 20-year history with the people of the mountain. If that is true, he has not understood the people who are his friends for 20 years. If he had taken time to understand these people of the mountain, he would know that they hate betrayal, they hate deception, they hate lies, they hate being misused. And probably he had genuine friends, they would also tell him, when those things fall occur, there's no remedy. But the people of the mountain are very intelligent people.
Okay.
And they don't fight, they don't shout, they don't throw stones. They are just nice guys. And we agreed that we have a political problem with the president, but we also are very practical to acknowledge that he is president until 2027, God willing. And we must relate with him one way or another. And in our own way, because we know how to converse. We don't do it in public meetings. We are very silent. There was an agreement and understanding among the mountain people that our relationship with the president going forward is commercial and transactional. And the people of the mountain are business people. We said if anybody has some money to bring to us, we take it, because even when you own a shop, you don't have to like your customer. What is important is if he has money to pay you. So we ask our people, come out and welcome the president. You saw the number of buses, the mobilization, the borders, 3,000 each, the dancing women, 2,000 each.
Allow me
there was too much money.
Because there are claims of mobilizing financially. The president's men yesterday disregarded these claims.
No, that is okay. But you saw the clips, you saw people being coached what to say, you saw money changing hands.
I didn't see. That's why I'm asking. But you have the evidence.
No, I'll give you the clips. You have seen people saying we were promised 2,000, we were given 1,000, but we are saying it doesn't matter. The president is happy. He got good photographs, he got good options. And that is fine. He's welcome again in August. And if possible, let him come in December. We need him because we need money for Christmas. He's most welcome. The people of the mountain have made some serious decisions. Those decisions cannot be changed by anybody. They cannot be changed by anything. And we are not fighting. I am not fighting with the president for the control of the mountain. I heard he said he's the king of the mountain. Let him be the king of the mountain. And if he's the king of the mountain, he did not go around. He should have just used his chopper, go to the Lenana Peak and pronounce himself as king. If he wants to be the king of the mountain, let him proceed. About, I don't know, MP decamping from where? The people of the mountain don't follow leaders. It is the leaders who listen to the people and where they want to go and align. That is what I do myself all the time.
So she listened to the people and decided to become.
I'm saying, if that is what the people told her,
yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
If that is what the people told her, it is fine. But what I know is that the people of the mountain are not led